Hey guys, what's up? This is Naveed and you're watching Navi's View. I was using iPhone 11 Pro from last 6 months and today I will share you my review with iPhone 11 Pro. iPhone 11 Pro delivers big performance in compact package. In this phone, Apple really works on 4 major things like design, display, battery and a new cameras. I like the new matte finish. Its green color, the way it looks, the way it feels. Technically it's little bit slippery, but still I like the matte finish. 11 Pro have a pretty compact size 5.8 inch and Gorilla Glass from front and back, and they are using frame stainless steel. Apple using new display here, Super Retina XDR OLED capacitive touchscreen. It's coming with 800 nits brightness, so it's very nice brightness outdoor, indoor, XDR10 and True Tone. In camera they really work on it. It starts with a trio of 12 megapixel sensor, each try to be a different type of lens to offer you a unique perspective of your surroundings. They offer 2x optical zoom also, but I like the night mode. Apple new night mode low light camera performance is the new telephoto lens captures stunning shallow depth of field shoot in daytime. The extended dynamic range in video and cinematic stabilization produce movie-like result thanks to its A13 Bionic processor. The iPhone 11 Pro impressive performance in the dim condition proved that they have the best night mode. The fast charger in the box works pretty well, getting you to 55% in 30 minutes. 11 Pro they are using new chip A13 and they improved in the GPU as well. Apple has said they improved in the device cooling system, so phone retain the higher performance state. All this performances makes the iPhone 11 Pro fantastic for the gameplay. The new XDR, which stand for the extreme dynamic range. XDR OLED are brighter at 800 nits and sometime able to achieve 1200 nits. It's truly wonderful thing to watch videos or play games on a such phone. But in market there is some great phones available for gaming like Asus ROG, the Red Magic 3 and Xiaomi Black Shark 2, but it's up to you for which thing you need a phone. Recently I bought the Apple Watch Series 4, so I just decided to open in front of you guys and I will share you some good and bad things about this watch. The good bigger higher resolution display, compatible with all old Apple Watch bands, increasingly advanced health and fitness tracking, super fast and smooth performance, walkie-talkie app is awesome, excellent battery life, and the bad, lack sleep tracking, still no always on clock, and super pricey. Simply you're getting better display. They increase the OLED screen resolution 394 by 324 on the 40mm and 448 by 368 on the 44mm. Apple bring the bigger display in a compact design. Smartwatch looks less bulky, thinner optical heart rate sensor, made of ceramic and sapphire crystal of faster reading and better cellular reception make it more comfortable to wear. There isn't much resistance on the Series 4 digital crown. It's much more smoother rotating experience compared to a regular watch crown. My biggest complaint why they don't have always on display. Other smartwatches like Samsung Watch they have. They claim this is the number one watch. It's not me. However, with the Series 4 and the dual core S4 chip, Apple Watch 50% faster performance than S3 chip. The large screen of the watch makes more enjoyable to tap and swipe it. Overall, it's awesome. So guys, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, like my video. See you next video on Navi's View.